That's a train.
To make the Close Encounters of the Third Kind tune. Dun, dun, dun.
Cheers.
You guys all walked over here.
He's nervous. If he's nervous, we ought to be really afraid.
That was a good one.
TCSP.m4v the one that's
I'm going to turn these two off. This is what comes out of my truck. Then they can blow from in the cab.
He got nervous, and I said, if he's nervous,